Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make a stoner eyeball for your stoner crafts. So you're going to need your 4mm hook for this one. I'm going to start with the white. You're going to chain 4. And then go into the end of the chain with your hook, join it, slip stitch, and then do 8 half double crochets into the hole. Try and get that little piece of yarn in there so that you can tighten it after. Always wrap it in there. Now you can give that a pull. Join that at the end after you've done your 8 half double crochets. Slip stitch through there. Leave a long enough piece of yarn for when you go to sew it onto your stuffy. And fasten that off. Now take the black yarn and make 3 knots at the end so it doesn't go through your eyeball after. And grab a sewing needle. You're going to go through the back of the eyeball to start. And just go in through one side. And then through the front into the back on the other. And now you want to hold the knot in place, so I always, for this one stitch, go make it nice and tight over the knot. And then you're going to do that 5 more times, so this will be the second, and then do it 4 more, so you have 6 in total. Now you can turn it over after you're done. Just go through all the yarn that you from your stitches, and a little through the back of the white. You can cut that. Now I always take a piece of red and I like to make it a little bit thinner, so, and you can use your other piece for your other eyeball also. So you just splice that in half. There we go. And again, 3 knots at the end. Start at the side through the back at the top of the pupil. And then just go up it a little bit to the back. And then from the back again into the middle of the, this one would go into the middle of the eyeball. Makes it easier too. Then you're going to go through the back just beside the other red line you have there. And then back through the front and then into the middle again. And then you can repeat on the other side. The veins really give it a nice touch. Alright, and almost done. So through the back, this time you turn it over. And then you just go through the back of the eyeball so you don't see it on the other side. Go through twice so that it stays in place. And you can cut that off. There we go, and it's all done. You just need 2 more, or sorry, 1 more. Good job.